Welcome everyone. Let's pronounce the most difficult words from the story The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. Skillfully, harshly, bush, movements, weary, curled, infinite, unreasonably, razor, heedlessly, knuckles, saved, saves, peered, bows, traitor, inconvenient, crept, choices, staunch, drawn, prisoners, weakly, skeleton, gauche, pine, dangerously, screened, twig, summon, talkative, ruthlessness, hating, flickers, bloodless, superficial, retching, expressionless, irritable, irritably, nursed, untied, comprehending, strips, forgetting, affectionately, arranging, inability, unwilling, mutter, execution, superiority, medically, bending, reopened, warmth, overwhelmed, starved, preparing, finest, doubtless, thanked, careless, twilighted, pointed, fisherman, grieving, prejudice, justifiable, arranged, pillow, vitality, checked, goodbye, submerged, doubtfully, fortnight, cupboards, heels, hated, probed, mattered, freshly, railing, quivered, fathoms, pawn shop, insistent, resting, victorious, zeal, stoop, stout, dismayed, gripping, outlines, eclove, wiping, classes, hush, troops, gasping, healing, unfinished, casual, similarities, individuals, purest, gladly, awaken, stupor, pinching, eaves, superstitious, gaily, lining, flowered, in danger, sunshine, bored. Thank you.